Kamati mochung' nono kaka yande otimo ohala mar fuonde oganda ochako tich ayanga bang' sidhe kod jatend migao mar thieth Duale. Jatend migao no kod apisas madito mag migao kotelnegi kod ngire Elizabeth Bukusi ne onyiso geno margi wi nonro mabiro wuok gikone. Jatend migao Duale ne ochuko kamati no bang' fwenyore ni nonro mokwongo ewi timo ohala mar fuonde oganda ne ntiere kod rochruok moko.
And I'm happy to tell the people of Kenya the regulations were approved by Parliament the last week. I have the letters from both clerks of the houses. It's now law. And the Digital Health Agency will now use those regulations to do what is supposed to be necessary. And for information, we will bring back the confidence and the trust of the people of Kenya to the health system. I am ready to face all the cartels. They can use media houses. They can use other things. They can put my photo and the president and my PSS on the headlines. But I will not be deterred to deliver on the people of Kenya.